Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to pamper your lips with some all-natural goodness, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you how to make 2 easy DIY lip scrubs and balms that will leave your lips feeling smooth, soft, and kissable. And guess what? You only need a few simple ingredients. So, let's get started. First up, we're going to make a sugar lip scrub. Sugar is an amazing exfoliant that will remove dead skin, while honey and coconut oil will hydrate and nourish your lips. For the sugar scrub, you'll need 1 tablespoon of sugar, white or brown. It's up to you. 2 teaspoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Just mix everything together until it forms a thick paste. Look at that gorgeous texture. Now, this scrub is ready to use. Gently massage a small amount onto your lips in circular motions, and then rinse with warm water. Your lips will feel so soft and smooth. You can store this scrub in an airtight jar, and it will last for about 2 weeks. So, you'll have a fresh batch ready whenever you need it. Next, let's make a super moisturizing lip balm that will keep your lips soft all day long. You're going to love how simple this one is. All you need is beeswax, coconut oil, and some essential oils for fragrance. To make this lip balm, start by melting 1 tablespoon of beeswax and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil together. Use a double boiler to melt them slowly and safely, stirring occasionally. Once that's all melted, you can add your favorite essential oil. I'm using lavender for a calming scent, but feel free to get creative with peppermint, vanilla, or any fragrance you love. Just add 5-10 drops. Now, pour the mixture into your little containers and let it cool down to solidify. This will take about 30 minutes. And look, you've got yourself a lovely, homemade lip balm that's perfect for winter or any time your lips need a little TLC. How easy was that? You now have 2 fabulous DIY products that you can make right at home with just a few ingredients. Plus, these make perfect gifts for friends and family or a nice treat for yourself. If you enjoy these easy recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more fun DIY beauty ideas. Drop a comment below and let me know which lip scrub or balm you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue to create and explore more ways to love and care for ourselves naturally. Until next time, stay glowing. Follow for more beauty tips and DIY ideas.